Hello friends, in this video I will show how to download and install all Canon printer driver for Windows 11 from official Canon website. So open any web browser, then search here Canon. Now here this open this official link or type here canon.com. So firstly, open any web browser, type here Canon driver download. So search this Canon printer driver, then open this official link Canon. Now here select your system, select here driver, and then here select your desired language. Now search by model name. So check out your printer model name and search here. And also guys, you will see a list of models here. So easily find out your printer model name and type here. So once you find your driver model name, so search it and you will see your driver listed here. Click on this download file and download, and once this downloading process will complete, double click on this setup file and install this driver. Then once this installing process will complete, close and restart your system. So this is the method guys, you can download and install Canon driver in your. So this is the method guys, you can download and install Canon driver. Thanks for watching.